Hey everyone, and welcome to Graphics Grow. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to rename your project in Canva. I'm going to teach you two simple ways to do it. The first method can be used if you are already working on a design. When your design is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see the current name of your project. Just click on that name and type in your new project name. After typing, press the return key on your keyboard or simply click somewhere else on the screen. This way your project is renamed. And here is another super simple way to rename your project, this time from your project page. Head to your home page and find project section. This is where all your designs are. Look for the project you want to rename. Click on the name of your project and you will be able to type in a brand new title. Press enter and just like that, your project has a fresh new name. It's seriously that simple. And don't forget that you can easily change the names later if you want. As you can see, renaming any project in Canva is easy and intuitive. So I hope you like this simple and quick tutorial. And if you want, subscribe to the channel to get the latest tutorials about Canva.